In 2017, we took a look at the data and then we started listening to the community, listening to providers and listening to clients and patients. And what we learned was access to mental health was at a near crisis situation. We also learned that for our Latino families, access to bicultural and bilingual mental health support was even more severe of a shortage. People could wait up to 6 months to try to get into a counselor. So we started working on a solution for that, and we called it the Mental Health Talent Pipeline, which was a project to bring additional professionals to our region to provide mental health services. And then the wildfires happened.
I had to leave my home suddenly, my father and I, thinking we could be able to return at some time. I just took the clothes that was on me, my cell phone. That night, I stayed in a Santa Rosa hotel right on Cleveland Avenue, and I noticed that people were running outside their rooms in a panic.
Someone came through on a bullhorn and said, "The fire's coming towards you, you have to leave." And I couldn't find my cat, I couldn't get out the garage door, and then I just drove away. It was daylight, probably 8 or 9 before I could get back close enough to the house to see what had happened. My next door neighbors were there and they told me that my house had burned down.
As I woke up, there was ashes everywhere. I couldn't believe my eyes. What had happened to Santa Rosa? I drove up to my house and it was completely gone. Like so many people, we had to find a way to try to rebuild. That's where the foundation came in and actually gave us funds and the motivation to start that process. With the help of the foundation's members and their generous donation, I was able to rebuild a little bit and acquire some things that I had lost.
When I was called and told I got the grant, it was amazing. It makes a big difference for me as far as being closer to my goal, and that's to rebuild my house in Santa Rosa. So I'm very grateful for what the foundation and Healdsburg District Hospital has given to me.
The Healthcare Foundation was extremely fortunate that many donors in the community stepped up to help wildfire survivors who were first-line healthcare providers. Through their generosity, we were able to help people with their immediate needs of shelter and clothing and replacement goods. But now we're looking at the long-term effects of the wildfires and realizing that mental health needs, which were already at a crisis point before the fires, are now in an even more dire situation. We've created a collaborative effort with many other organizations in the county with the goal of providing free mental health counseling this year to fire survivors. We hope you'll be able to join us and to step up and give to that initiative. Thank you for your support. We really couldn't do it without you.